Hey, welcome. We're going to put plugs in my 2008 Ford Ranger. Let's have a look here. Here's my little white Ranger. You've seen it on my other videos. The last video, or one, I think about the last video I had checked my battery here, and it was about half what it should be. And I've had this old Charger of mine on there for about 24 hours or longer. It has charged down there. It's on about 3, so it's taking a charge. Before I bought a battery, I was just going to charge it for a while and see if it came back up, because I don't know that the truck may have been sitting for a while or something. So anyway, I'm going to take that charger off now, and we'll check the battery with my tester and see where we're at. Okay, we got our little tester here that we got from Harbor Tools. I've got the minus hooked to the minus, and if you can see there, it looks like it's charged up. So I guess we'll not buy a battery now, and we'll try it for a while. Because I traded for this truck, and you don't know how it was taken care of before. It may have been setting, or they may have got a battery off something else and put on there, although it looks like the battery's been on there for a while. Alright, we'll move on to putting the points in. Okay, sorry about saying points there a while ago. Kind of tells off on my age. I meant plugs. Got this 5/8 socket and spark plug tool off of Amazon for $13. We'll see how it does. It's magnetic. Got this swivel on it. See how that works. So put the plugs in. I'm gonna set the plugs. 0.44, I believe is what it's supposed to be. I got these plugs off of good old eBay. They're SP-432 AGS F32 FM. Supposed to be right plugs for it. I had ordered some others off of eBay and had to send them back because they looked like they'd been used. Yeah, these look more like it here. Oh, let's see if you can see. Okay, supposed to be 44. We'll see how close they are. Well, they're not 44. Looks like about 50. About 51, 2, 3, about 54. 0.554. Bend that down. A little bit. Well, you can see the gap's way too big. Let me find something to bend that with. Alright. Be careful. Bend these down a little bit here. Let's say pound on them like that, but I don't how much luck that was like that. Felt like that moved a little bit. Oh no, I don't guess it did. Try something else. Okay, I had to go in and just kind of peck the end of this on the anvil like this, and it's kind of tricky to do, but right out of the box they're coming out at like point 0.070, and I'm trying to get them at point 0.044. So let me go. This is the last one. We'll go peck on here. It takes a little manipulating to get them there, but you can see what a gap it's got. Looks like they just have them preset. Be right back. They look like they've been in there a while. Just for curiosity, let's see what the gauge. They gauge about 1.06. Huh. Hey, probably might have been fine just to put them in there like they were. I like this metal, this magnetic. Oh, I'm about to forget my anti-seize stuff. Well, put the anti-seize on the plugs. Got a lot of thread on there, so I guess it takes a little bit to get it started down in there. There it's tight. Snug is out. Yes. And put this cap back on. Look at it, make sure it's that's right. Look at that. No dirt or nothing in there. it's not tight. It's tight at all. Ooh. Look at this. It's oily. Plug was real oily and it wouldn't even tighten down. Cool. I don't know what that's a sign of. Put a light down in there and see if I can clean that out. Okay. I cleaned that oil out and put the new plug in there. I got snug pretty good. I'll have to investigate why that had oil in it like that. I don't see anything leaking. The only oil I see up here is just what came out of it when I pulled the spark plug water off. Clean that oil out just a little more. It got oil on it too. Okay, some more. Trash there. Ooh. This plug has got oil all over it too. Can you see there? Okay, here's the fourth one, plug all the way back. Now he didn't have no oil on head. I wonder if somebody hadn't just spilled some oil or putting oil in the truck and it run down around the plugs. But anyway, let's get this one replaced. Okay, I got the plugs back in there. The worst thing about the plugs is the truck is so tall, I had to get a ladder to get up there and then get up on top of the motor to get to them. I had those two center plugs that had oil on them, but there was no oil on the plug itself on the igniting part of the plug. It was just on the top. So I'm wondering if, since the oil field there, that over time somebody has just spilt oil there and it went down around the plug. I hope that's what it was, because it was running fine. Okay, I'm going to record this in my folder, and let's start the truck and see if it runs. Well, it started up and run all right. Had a little bit of white smoke. It was probably that oil got down in the cylinders, putting the plugs in and out. All went fine. A little hard, like I said, you have to almost get on top of the motor to get the plugs out. Had that oil in them too. I'm hoping it's just where somebody spilt it and it run down in there over time. The number 3 cylinder may need to have to get a new a coil spark plug wire for that one. I don't know if it was oil or what, but I had trouble getting it to fasten good. I finally got it down on there. It may be fine once it dries out. I cleaned all the oil off with some brake cleaner and got all the oil off of it. So we'll see. I want to thank you for watching the video. If you have a comment or a question, I'm just a guy that always done everything himself. But hit like and hit subscribe. Makes it more interesting to do if I know that somebody's watching the videos. And thanks again for watching.